Hey guys, what's up? It's Jaeger262 Customs here with the third and final part of my Jaburo unboxings and what will become my Jaburo reviews. And today we're looking at MSM07S Zagok, the CHar Custom. So this is the 16th mobile suit in the real grade line. As you know, it is the suit that CHar used to lead the failed Jaburo attack on November 30th, 0079, which is why I wanted it, because now it completes the trio. It is the quintessential Jaburo invasion suit. It is most iconic for the scene where he punches through a GM's cockpit using these claws. So without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. Alright, first things first, some things on the side of the box. Very detailed kit. I've never built a real grade before, so I don't really know what to expect. I've already gone through and removed the tiny CHar and painted it because I couldn't wait. And I've already kind of looked inside and got an idea for how many runners will be. So first things first are the real grade type stickers. So these, not only do you have nice chrome foil, wow, look at that. Those look cool on all the joints in between the arms, the legs, the feet. But more importantly, I don't know if you can see them, you get these kind of really flat decal-esque stickers. But they are not decals, they're not dry transfers like master grades. They are in fact stickers. I'll be painting my Zagok, so I don't know if I'll use them, but I'm thinking about it because I used them on my Origin Zaku 1, and they don't look too terrible on camera, honestly. And they don't look that bad in person either. I mean, from a distance, they kind of look like decals. So I might use them, might not. But they're there and they're very nice. It comes with all the markings for CHAR's suit, his unit, the actual mobile suit, and then a bunch of warning labels at the top here. And this was the coolest part for me, coming from scale modeling. Here's the instruction booklet, and it is a booklet. Not only is it a booklet, instead of folding out in like a really ridiculous way like all the other Bandai instructions, it comes in color. And so they do a really good job, if I can find a page that shows it, of giving you color callouts for the joints to make sure that you know exactly where everything goes and you're not going to mess it up. And on this one, just like most real grades, you do get a whole separate Mono Eye assembly, which is very cool. The Mono Eye is not a clear part for this kit, but you do get a clear part. We'll get to that later. So right in the box, you have 8 runners, all color-coded, obviously, just like other Bandai kits. The reason I mention they're color-coded is because things like the claws are not made or not molded with the other sprues. They get their own all-white sprue, so that they're pure white and it's completely dedicated. And here's the coolest thing, these claws are slide molded. So if you look really close, those holes there that make them hollow, slide molding. And that's cool. I've never seen slide molding on a Bandai kit before, let alone a 1/144 scale kit. So that was amazing. And you get your gunmetal polycap S sprues with full leg joints. You don't actually build the legs here, they're already molded in one piece. And once you put it all together, these will move. You have the arms here, but just really cool. Let me see if I can. Yeah. On a white background, it might be easier to see. But these are the entire leg joints, and then both arms. So pretty cool there. Then you get your normal pinkish sprue for his arms and legs. You get 2 of these. You don't get 2 CHARs though. He was molded in this color. I wish you could, but you don't. So you get 2 of those sprues. And you get the darker red. Has various armor parts for his backpack, his feet, the wrist cuffs on his arms. You get 2 of those. And we get to the big sprues. The very cool ones. Why they're so cool is because all the propellers are molded in this silver metallic color right on top of all the gunmetal parts. So you don't have to paint these if you're bad with metallics, you don't like using metallics. I don't mind it, but I only airbrush them, and I might not want to airbrush something this small. I don't have to. Then you get, again, not slide molded, but a wonderfully molded one-piece body part. This just goes on the chest. It's the second part of the cockpit here, and it's just 2 pieces that'll slide right into place. Super cool that it was included that way. Just really unique. And here's the white piece for the cockpit door, and that's what I was saying. Just like the metal pieces up here that are molded all on one big sprue, which has 4 colors, the slide molded claw got their own sprue, which I thought was really cool and just a nice little touch, a nice little detail. And then last but not least, you get the rest of your inner frame. So real grades all come with an inner frame, full inner frame like a master grade. And so that's what you're seeing here. Each one of these little parts goes inside the claw to move it and articulate it. You have the rest of your chest pieces here, and then my favorite part. Oh, I was wrong. So I was going to show you the clear part for the cockpit. The monowhite is a clear piece, so you can put an LED in there if you wanted. And then the actual shield for the glass is clear, and the reason I like it is because it's just enough to fit. No more glass, no real big bulky piece you have to cut down. It's very thin, right to the point. I love it. I can't wait to build this kit. I mean, there's just some incredible details in each of these pieces that's unlike anything like a high grade. And I don't know if you can see the details back here, right there. I'm really looking forward to building this kit. You got separate pieces to cover the vents. Let me show you the vents again, because they're some of my favorite parts. There it is. So you can actually put a wash in there. I'm going to dry brush that silver and then put a wash in it to bring out those engine grades. And then each one of the torpedoes gets a pretty nice mold on it. So there's just a wealth of detail in this kit that is expected for a real grade, but like I said, I've never built one. This is my first unboxing of a real grade, so I am very, very excited. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please stay tuned for the build of this and the review. And I have a Moon Gundam review coming up, so it'll be great. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.